But we did make a plan for Good morning, guys. It is October 10th and I am heading to my nose itches. I'm heading to the OB for what I am hoping will be my very last OB appointment. I can't believe I'm still pregnant. I know I'm only, what is it, 39 weeks and 3 days, but it seriously feels like I am 42 weeks pregnant. This has been a very, very long pregnancy. So we're gonna go to the OB and hopefully they give me some good news or give me some advice. And if nothing else, I know we're gonna schedule an induction date that I may or may not make it to, but at least we'll have a plan. So let's go. I am back from my doctor's appointment, and so, well, I first of all forgot my phone at home, which stinks because I couldn't talk to anybody, I couldn't get any work done. Basically, I had to just sit there and think about the fact that I am very pregnant, and I was like really tired today too, because Emmy got up pretty early. But so they checked me, and I am 3 centimeters, but still, she said, pretty like thick. So I was 50% effaced last time, and I guess that didn't change at all. But we did make a plan for Wednesday. So today's Wednesday, and then next Wednesday I will be induced if I have not gone into labor before then. She said she feels like I'm going to go into labor before then on my own, which would be ideal. First of all, because I don't want to have to wait a week. And second of all, I just want to know what it feels like to like go into labor by myself. So I have a doctor's appointment on Monday just to have one more check to make sure everything's good to go. And then on Wednesday, I will be induced. So I feel good about that, but also I could potentially have a whole week left of being pregnant. And I know so many people are probably gonna be like, girl, just enjoy those last few days. But girl, I'm gonna tell you, I have been enjoying this pregnancy for the last 9 months, and I'm just ready to hold this baby in my arms, to have my body back to myself, and like, I'm just kind of ready to be done. And there's nothing wrong with that. Like, honestly, there's nothing wrong with that. Pregnancy has not been easy for me. It wasn't easy for me the first time either. So it's okay, you do you. If you want to enjoy your pregnancy and savor each moment, that is great. I am ready to be done, and that's okay. I just want to hold my baby. I want to kiss him and snuggle him, and I want Emerson to meet him, and I'm just excited. I'm really, really excited. But I have been doing a few things to try and help labor. I've been eating dates, haven't done a thing. I have been drinking red raspberry tea, hasn't done a thing. Bouncing on the yoga ball. I walk up and down stairs because we don't live on a first floor. I chase a toddler around, so I'm very active. So this baby just must not be ready to come out. But soon. The light, I see the light at the end of the tunnel. Emerson, how you feeling? This little girl's been kind of feeling under the weather lately, huh? Have you been a little sick? You wanna look at yourself? Ouch, you're pinching me. Look at yourself. Oh, she's so pretty. You've had a little bit of a cold, huh? Are you ready to meet your brother? You wanna meet your brother? Hey, get mama some cheese. Excuse me. That's not cheese.
That's avocado.
That's avocado. Get mama some cheese. Can you show her where it is? Can I have that? It's for Mama. Mama's hungry.
Here you go.
Thank you, honey. Would you like a piece of it? Would you like to share it with Mom?
Okay.
Piece of cheese. Would you like a piece?
Okay.
Okay, let Mama open it. We just ran out of the house really quick to get some food for ourselves, and then to just get Emmy out of the house and give her a little change of scenery. So we got Chick-fil-A. This is Emmy's. And then we got 2 market salads. with the zesty apple cider vinaigrette dressing. So good. Emmy's starting to lose it in the back seat. I don't think she feels good. She has been kind of under the weather the last couple of days with just a little bit of a runny nose. She doesn't have a fever or anything, but we can just tell that she like doesn't feel super great. So she is kind of all over the place. But we're gonna go home and eat our lunch, and I don't know what Andrew's gonna do, but I am gonna get in my bed because I am feeling real tired. And it's also super gloomy outside and rainy, and I think that that's part of the reason why I'm feeling just a little tired and lethargic. Emmy is in her crib down for a nap. She's not actually asleep yet. She's still talking. I'm about to get in my bed and just rest and watch a little bit of The Office. That is my like just chill show. I've seen it too many times, like all the way through, too many times to count. But it's just lighthearted and I love it. So I'm going to watch a little bit of that and drink some red raspberry tea. It's actually in the kitchen still steeping. I put 2 tea bags in it, let it steep for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I add a little bit of maple syrup to sweeten it, and then I leave the tea bags in there while I'm drinking it. Having some pumpkin cookies, the pumpkin spice cookies from Trader Joe's. These are like super, super yummy. So I brought a box in here to eat. And then let me show you. This is the brand of tea that I've been drinking, the Traditional Medicines red raspberry leaf, and I just have been getting it at Target, but you can get it at any grocery store. And this is just a little taste of real life right now. I'm so tired. I just didn't even care today to make the bed, but this is my pregnancy pillow. It's actually my sister-in-law's. She's letting me borrow it, and I've had it for a long time, but I have not enjoyed using it. It was like way too much for me in the bed, and I felt kind of claustrophobic until about a week ago, and I was like, I have to have some support for my belly, and I busted it out, and now it's my best friend. I love this thing so much. It is the best. Like this part you put in between your legs. It is a pregnant woman's best friend. Here's to resting for the rest of the day. Tonight we are going to my in-laws for dinner, which will be really fun, and Emmy will have a great time because she loves to see them and she loves to get out of the house, so that'll be fun. So I'm gonna rest until then. She's supposed to be sleeping. Look at her. She has set up all her babies and covered them with blankets. How stinking cute. That's more like it. So sweet. Yep. Did you just come in through that door and wake Mama up? Thank you. That was so nice of you. It's trash. Good morning.
Hey, Mama, go wake up.
Yeah, you woke Mama up. Hey, do you want to go see Papa and Nana? Oh, I'm going to take that from you, okay? It's yucky. You won't like it. Oh, no. Put that back. Thank you, baby. All right, let's go see Papa and Nana. I feel like my face is super puffy after that nap. That's cute. So I just popped on Instagram and saw that my last pregnancy buddy, there's Emmy, that I've been pregnant with this whole time, just had her baby 2 days ago, and I instantly started crying. I'm like, try not to cry now. And it's not that I'm not happy for her, it's that I'm like the last person to still be pregnant, and I'm ready to be done, and I'm ready to hold my baby, and literally I'm the last person out of like 5 people. We were all pregnant together, and she was even like due after me, and she's already had her baby. The lucky thing She's probably even watching this, so girl, congratulations. I'm so happy for you. She's beautiful. And you're beautiful. And I'm sorry this is like a bummer vlog, but this is just how things are now. And it's not that I'm not even happy or grateful that I'm pregnant and trying to appreciate, you know, the last few days. It's just... Are you stuck? It's just that I've had it. It's just that I'm done and I'm tired. I'm really tired. I feel a whole new level of exhaustion today. So it's not that I'm really that upset. I think I'm just hormonal and I'm tired. I don't know. I'm always trying to make excuses for my feelings, but honestly, it's just how it is right now. But you're a happy girl, aren't ya? Look at the camera and say hi.
Hi.
You have anything you want to tell them?
Hi.
Huh? Where are you going right now? Where are we gonna go?
Cause the big banana.
Yeah. And what are you eating right here? What's that?
An orange cookie.
It's an orange cookie. These are those Trader Joe's pumpkin cookies. They're good, huh? Hey, do you love Mom? Can I have a kiss on the cheek? Can I have a kiss right here on my cheek?
What is that?
Give me a kiss on my cheek. Mwah. Thank you. I'm fine. I'm so pregnant. My emotions are like all over the place. Look at how cute you are. Are you all ready to go on a night?
No.
No. Well, you look awfully cute with your mini ears and your jammies. You're so cute, baby. We are home from our little dinner with family, and Emmy has had her bath, and so we're just kind of winding down for the night. My sister-in-law gave me some advice on some things to do to try and help this labor progress and get going. So she suggested something that her doula had told her, which was to have your husband kind of rub your feet, especially around your ankle bones and then your shoulders. Take a really hot bath tonight. Drink a bunch of raspberry tea. So that is the update that we have for you guys today. Exciting, but also potentially could be a little bit longer until baby boy's here. But oh well, he will be here before we know it. Seriously, a week compared to 9 months is not really that long. I think I can do it. But I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Like it and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of the baby watch videos coming up. And make sure you're following us on Instagram at allie_gooch, because that is where I will notify you guys first as soon as I go into labor. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Say bye, Emmy.
Bye, Emmy.
There's a shadow on my chin. That's really cute. No, say bye, Emmy. Say bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
Say bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
I love you.
Love you.
Say see you in the next one.
See you next time.
Okay, night night.